Hi friends, my name is Rohan Vasudev. In the last session, we spoke about array list. In this session, we are going to talk about hash table. Hash table stores data or elements in key value pairs. The values inside the hash table can be retrieved using the associated keys. The elements added to the hash table can be of same data type or different data type. Keys inside the hash table cannot be null, but values inside the hash table can be null. Hash table class implements iDictionary, iCollection, iEnumerable interfaces. Now, in this script, we have already declared a hash table and the name of the hash table is players data. We have initialized the hash table here using a new keyword. Inside the start function, for code 1, we are adding key value pairs to the hash table using add method here. Code 2, we are printing a value for a specific key. In this case, we are printing the value for the key name here. So debug.log function here will print Andy, which is the value for the key name here. For code 3, we are using iCollection to retrieve all the keys from the hash table. The keys are retrieved by using .keys. For code 4, we are printing all the keys and values from the hash table here using a for each loop. We have already declared a for each loop over here, which will iterate basically through all the keys inside the hash table. All keys is a variable or an object in which all the keys are stored here using iCollection in code 3. So when we are using a debug.log function inside the for each loop here, we here will print all the keys and the value for every key will be printed by using players data, which is your hash table, and putting a key inside it, which is V in this case. Code 5 here, we are removing a specific key. In this case, we are basically removing a key city from the hash table by using remove method for the hash table. For code 6, we are printing all the keys and values from the hash table using a for each loop after removal of a specific key. So let's go to the Unity editor now and let's print the output. Okay guys, here it is. Here is the output from the code, printing a value for the key name from the hash table. So the value for the key name is Andy in our code. So we are printing Andy here, printing all the keys and values from the hash table. So basically we are printing all the keys, key city, value New York, key name, value Andy, key age, value 18. So we are printing all the keys and values here inside our hash table. Now lastly, we are printing all the keys and values from the hash table using a for each loop after removal of a specific key. So we removed city from the hash table and hence we are printing key name value Andy and key age value 18. So there is no city here since we have removed it from the hash table using remove function for a hash table. So that's it guys. Thank you for the session. I will see you in the next session. Thank you so much.